back to my channel. It's your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. In my son's school, they're actually going to be starting an IT course. So they asked that they should get a tablet, iPad, or we can sign in the one in school. So I was like, no. I don't want to sign in the one from school because if anything goes wrong, I'm going to be responsible for that. So I decided to get a tablet for Marcelo. I was searching online and I finally found this tablet. It has many different accessories that is really good. I can even use the tablet from time to time to do one or two things. I saw more than 16,000 plus reviews on this tablet and I decided to get it. If I have to buy a regular tablet, it's going to be the same price, but this one has a lot of accessories. Let's see how it looks like. What are you saying? Oh, I didn't even know that my Umar sweater has the same color as that. What are you saying? So this is it. I'll just call him here. He's been longing for this, not only for this particular subject in school, but to just use it. Marcelo! Take. It's your tablet.
Thank you, Mom.
Look at it. It's a nice tablet. You like it?
Yeah.
It has nice stuff. It has a pen, it has a mouse, keyboard. So you're going to use it in school, right? So I'm going to do the unboxing right now. So this is TECLAST Tpad. It looks like this. Here we're going to open it up. Here we go. That's how it looks like inside. It comes with a manual book. The first thing you see is the tablet. Whoa. Very nice, portable, big, and very okay to handle. I like the casing, and there's something unique about the casing. You can actually fold it as a tablet stand. So we're just going to turn it on and leave it there to actually load while we check the other things. As a keyboard. Wow. Nice. What's that? Webcam cover. This is the mouse. Wow. This is the pen. Charger. USB head, earpiece. Wow, this is the stand. This is their screen. Let's go to YouTube. I can also use their keyboard. I've already connected the keyboard. I'll just turn it on. Let's see if it's going to be connected. I'm going to click here on search George. So it actually works and it works very well. I'm going to try to use the mouse. Here's the mouse. I'm just going to turn on the Bluetooth. I turned it on already, so I'm going to try to use it as the mouse on the screen. It actually works. So I'm going to click on that, scroll up, scroll down. Let me try the pen. This is the pen. See, the pen is working. Let me click on a video using the pen and see if it's actually going to work. As it. I'm going to click here to open, as you can see. So it's really cool. Everything is fine. This is like a week after I got the tablet and everything is still working well. The first few days, it was turning off and it was difficult for it to turn back on. It took a long time to get delivered. So I feel like the handling was not really good. There's one thing I like about the tablet. After you charge it, my son will be on YouTube for hours and it's still on. It takes like 11 to 12 hours plus. He does his drawing and everything. Please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video in that same line. Bye!